going to talk about synergy. It is one of 7 habits of highly effective people. It is a sixth habit, which is a relationship between synergy means relationship between two persons or in a group. It is want to be automatic to be tuned. It is like a dance comparing business, like etc. When a when a good partner will be formed, it is equal to the good growth of the life. How the synergy will be made or make by the friends or colleagues or any partners. If we follow the previous 5 habits, like or habit 1, be proactive. Habit 2, begin in with end in mind. The third habit is put first thing first. The fourth thing, win-win. The fifth habit, seek first to understand, then to be understood. If we follow these 5 habits, we will be having a good synergy effect. When we follow all the 5 habits, it will be automatically synergy will be happens. Considered I am suffering from the depression because of failure, so that no work. Due to this depression, the physical energy and the mental energy will be reduced and willpower will be reduced, so that I am feeling lonely. Suppose anyone will be support me, will be a huge will be a huge difference, like change of heart, feel new energy and excitement, see things in new way, feel that the relationship will be transformed and end with the idea or result that better than the what of you started with. I'm started with. You can ask. Why do we follow this synergy? Because if we follow this synergy means it will be have produced an extraordinary energy from our body. Stephen Covey is saying that if we add 1 plus 1, it is greater than 2, because if we two people will be combined, the effect will be more than 2.